Hey you guys, so today I'm just going to do a quick review on the Morphe James Charles palette. And I got this palette today, around 3 today from Ulta. And I like the palette. I was so drawn to it because I like the neon and this yellow right here. It's amazing. And so far I've only worked with 5 of the shades, which is these shades right here and this black up here. Thus far I do like it. However, with this neon color, I found when I was putting it on my lid, it would kind of disappear, if that makes sense. Like as soon as I put it on, it would kind of like wash away, so I had to pack it on. But when I was putting on the neon color Skip, I did notice a lot of fallout, like under my eyes and on my cheek. I mean, fallout is not a big deal to me, but for some people I could see why that would be a concern, because half of the product is on your face, not on your eyelid. So I get that. And with these shades, they were very pigmented. I use a lot of BH Cosmetics and Real Technique brushes, so they definitely, you know, transferred onto the skin just as, you know, what you see in the pan. And also outside of these 5 shades, I did use Cold James as my transition shade, and I use Face, you know, for my brow arch and my inner tear ducts. And this is my second Morphe palette. I got the Morphe let me go see. This is my first Morphe palette. This is the Second Nature palette, the 3502 palette. So these 2 palettes are the only Morphe palettes I ever had, and thus far I like them. I like Morphe. From these 2 palettes, I like Morphe. Now what I say is $39 worth, I don't know quite yet because I've only worked in this section thus far. But from what I've used today, I do like it. And this is Skip. That's that neon color that I love. Let's do love that, because of course that was one of the looks I did today. And this is just with one swatch, and like I said, you guys, you can build it up. Let's see what it looks like with 2 swatches. I like it. I'm satisfied. Let's do B. That's just one swatch. Yeah, that's one swatch. And the next color we're gonna do Daddy. Alright, here is Daddy. I like it. I know when I was buying it, the ladies in Ulta was like, they weren't going to buy the palette because they felt like it was too patchy and too chalky. I see what they meant by that, but it's buildable. Like, you can build, bitch, build. I'm not picky when it comes to, you know, my eyeshadows. As long as I can work with it, we're okay. And thus far, like I keep saying, I like it. Playground. That's Playground. That's literally. Yeah, so those are a few swatches. If you guys want more, of course, let me know down below. I got you. And as always, you guys, if you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want swatches, just comment down below and I will upload them in my next video. So, you guys, I'm excited about this palette. I like it thus far, especially this color range right here. I can see myself snatching somebody daddy up with these eyeshadows, honey.